Hello everyone. Let's see about Seedor Inventory. Our Seedor Inventory is a best inventory software for a growing business and a complete inventory management solution. Manage orders, items, warehouse, packages and shipments from the single application. So let's get into our Seedor Inventory. So here we can see an inventory option. So in this module, we have an fantastic dashboard. By using this, we can get an assigned count, delivery orders, and what are the waiting orders, and the total the lot that we have assigned to the products can be seen here. And if you made any reordering rules there, so you can see the list of reordering rules here. So if any internal transfer made between your locations, so you can manage the transfers here. And also here we can see the delivery details in a delivery order in a more interactive way, and what are the selling products that we have can be seen here. This is just like in reportings, so we can see a report from here itself. Now let's get into the overview. So in overview, we can see the receipts, internal transfers, delivery orders, or if any manufacturing orders there, so you can see these types of orders here. So from the receipts, so what's mean by receipts in the sense, if you have purchased a product from the vendor, you have didn't received it. Those things will be comes under the receipts. Not yet received from our side can be in the receipt state. And then the internal transfer, the transfer between your locations. So the from the location 1 to the location 2, if any transfer is made, that transfer can be seen in the internal transfers. So if any delivery orders made, that is for if you need to do done any sales delivered not yet to that customers can be seen in the deliver order. So those details can be seen here. That is our Seedor inventory is integrated with our sales, our purchase, and also our transfers. So these are the things that we have. And then in operations, you can see the transfer. As I have said that we can make an internal transfer. So from here we can create a transfer. So from here you can need to add in contacts or if any. So you can add that operation type that I need to do an internal transfer, so I need to add an internal transfer. Here you need to mention the source location and the destination location here. And from here you can add that product. So which product you need to transfer from this among this location can be added here. And here you need to mention the demand, how much demand they need, and you can make it the process and you can transfer this location. And at the time of that transfer you can manage a quality check. So you need to check the quality of the product at the time of transfer. So for that here we have an inspection option to sort out that issue. So by using this you can check that quality of the products. And then we have an inventory adjustment. So for inventory adjustment is used to adjust your inventory, that is the quantity. So if you need to adjust your quantity, so you can make use of it. And then we have an scrap. So if you have any damaged products or any damaged items, you can make list of that those damaged goods in the scrap. And then from in the master data, under master data you can see M products. So here we can see the products that we have created. For example, to create a new one you can click on the create option to create it. So just I am going to the existing one. So here we can see the product's name can be mentioned here, and here you need to add that product in the sold. So if you need to use this product for a sold, you can make use of that, and it will be can be purchased. So if any you can add that one. And here we need to mention the product type. So here we can mention the product type, like what are the type of the product. If it is in a consumable, if it is in a service, you can mention it from here. So consumable in the sense the one day usage, the product which is used for one day use can be comes under the consumable. So if it is in the service like gift card, gift vouchers, like that product can be added in a service. So storable for the products like laptops. And then here you can add the product category. So you can create an n number of category. So for example, for this product I am creating that category as a laptop. So you will simply click on the create option to create a new category. And then here we can see an internal reference can be mentioned here. For an quick search you can mention an internal reference, and then here we can mention the barcode. By using this you can scan that product, and here you can mention the HSN code. If any HSN code description is there, you can mention it from here itself. And then you can need to add in sales price of that product and the cost price. If you need to add any taxes, you can add it from here itself. And then you can mention the product which branch belongs to that product can be mentioned here. And then the variants, here you can add the variants. So variants in the sense, it may be the attributes, that is it may be the color, it may be that size of that product. So it may be anything, you can create it. So just click on that and you can click on the create and edit option. You can create an attributes here. And then you can add that particular product in your website. So you have an own website in our Bookseedor. So in that website you can publish this product into that website. So for that we have an option for it. Here you can see the website. We can manage multiple websites here. And the category you can mention it here, and the alternative products for that product you can be mentioned here. And then here you can see the purchase. So we know that for that product I usually purchase the product from this specific vendor. So you can mention that vendor and the quantity of that goods, or that is how many item you need to you have buy from that vendor can be also be mentioned here. And then the inventory. So here you can see if you need to add this particular product in a lot, that is the lot in the sense it is a batch number. So you can arrange the product in a batch number wise. So you can make use of it. So if you click on that by lot, you can add that particular products in a lot. So if you need to add in the serial number, you can add that particular product in a serial number wise. That is one along to the one. That is that is the unique number for each and every product is in serial number. Okay. And then here we can add an alternative of that products. So these are the options that we have in our products page. And then here we can see the on-hand quantity. Here we can mention the forecasted quantity, and what are the products that is availability of the product can be seen here. Here you can see an reordering rule. By using this, you can reordering the particular product. You can make an order to the vendor which is mentioned here. Okay, for that vendor, it will automatically create a purchase order. This functionality is also available here. And you can update the quantity of the goods. So if you have a quantity, the real on-hand quantity is 15. So if you need to add any extra quantity for any other purpose, you can add it from here itself. Okay. And we can set the contract. So here we can set the contract for that product. So here we can see the recurring period of that contract, that is product can also be mentioned here. And if it is used in the subscription type, you can add this in the subscription type also. And then here we can see the variants. The list of products variants can be seen here. And as we seen before, here we need to mention the reordering rules. If you can, you can create a template also. Reordering template is also be manageable. And here we need to mention the lot and serial numbers. That is the lots and lot functionality is here. So here we need to mention the product and the quantity of the product. So how many quantity it may be, you can mention it here. And then the packages. So pack in the sense, in the pack we can manage multiple products. So we can add that product and make use of that in that sales and purchase time. So at the time of sales and purchase, you can manage by using this. So in the pack you can manage 4 or 5 products, and by using that package you can do your sales and you can do your purchase. And in import, by using import, we can import an inventory adjustment. So if you need to import any inventory adjustment, that is the list of inventory adjustment, you can import it here. And by using the import inventory, you can import the products. So not only these two, you can see all the places you can see an import option. So from here, okay, for transfer you can see an import option. By using this you can also import it. The main thing that in our inventory that we have is in the reports. So we can see the current stock in Excel. So it will be automatically download that Excel. Okay. So from here you can see the Excel is created. So by using this we can automatically see what are the things that we have. And then we can see the moves allocation, that the product moves from where the product comes and now where the product is. The moves can be seen here. Okay. And then the inventory reports, the overall inventory report. So what are the products that we have, and it is in the which location, how many quantity that we have can be seen here. And then that inventory valuation report. So in inventory valuation report we can see the value of it. If you mention the cost price, it will show the value of that product. The worth of the product can be seen in the inventory valuation. And the next is the product moves. So in the product move we can see the overall summary of the product, that is when it will be reached as and where it will be can be seen here. So we can see from it, then it will be generated as an inventory adjustment as I have already shown you. So from it will be created and now it will be in the primary location, that is our internal locations. Okay. So in this way we can see all the reports here. So these reports are configurable, that is more configurable using our group by and filter option. Here we can see the filter option and here we can see the filter group by option. Here we have more and more types. So by using this you can make and filter it out. And in inventory we can manage the warehouse. So here we can see an warehouse. So here we need to mention here create an warehouse. And then here we can see locations. So for an warehouse we can manage the 5 or 6 locations. So for that we need to create a location. So from here you can create a location and you can assign the warehouse there. So for belong to this location which warehouse is suitable. So we can manage here. And for that each and every location what are the current stocks that we have can be seen here. And then we can set and rules, so from where it will must be placed. So we can set the rules and routes for the products to place. And then we can see the product packages and the package type and the unit of measure also configurable. You can create a unit of measure. In our Seedor we have an already default unit of measures are already there which is created. So if you need to create any new unit of measure you can create it also. And then the shipping methods and delivery packages is also configurable. So these are the things that we have in our inventory. Thank you for watching.